Hey, Amy, how was your holiday break? I cannot believe Mr. Ishan is going to give us a quiz this week. Wow.
I had a great holiday vacation. I was studying for the quiz the past week. I hope I can remember all the 12 basic literary elements.
Literary what?
Literary elements. Literary terms are devices used to make writing better. These help the writer tell a story or make a point.
How did you become so smart?
Like Mr. Ishan recommends, I read 20 minutes and have a conversation with the text. I annotate, write just notes and always use my Cornell note-taking strategy. I know it's helping.
So what are the 12 literary elements?
Well, let me think. You have setting, characterization, conflict, plot, climax, theme, foreshadowing, flashback, point of view, imagery, symbolism and irony.
Wow, that's a lot.
Not really. Once you start to study them it all makes sense.
So, what is setting?
The setting of it is the time and place in which the action occurs. The author may state the setting directly, or the author may suggest the setting through action or dialogue.
So you can say that the setting of our story right now is 3rd period, January 5th, room 406, Longfellow Middle School, Mount Vernon, New York.
You got it. See, you are smart. Just listen to Mr. Ishan and you will do well in his class. Remember what he says, English is the most important class in school.
Yeah, I think I have heard him say that at least 1,000 times this year.
I know, he sure likes to repeat himself often.
Do you think you can help me with these elements during lunchtime?
Yes, Eric, I will help you. But the lunch is on you.
Not a problem.
See you 6th period.